MCQs number 1. The contrasting pairs of allele for all the 7 characters chosen by Mendel show complete dominance. Option A is correct. Complete dominance. 2. Chromosomes is not completely inserted. Y chromosomes. Option B is correct. MCQs number 3. Pisum sativum is a biological name of golden pea. Option B is correct. Golden pea. The allele H cannot insert sugar molecules to glycoprotein. Recessive. Option C is correct. MCQ number 5. Give linkage the chances of genetic recombination and variation among offsprings. Minimizes. Option B is correct. MCQs number 6. Mother and fetus has connection in uterus through placenta. Option B is correct. Placenta. 7. When one allele is completely dominant over the other, presence of recessive allele is functionally hidden. This is called complete dominance. Option A is correct. Complete dominance. MCQs number 8. The flowers of golden pea are hermaphrodites. Option C is correct. MCQs number 9. In humans, hemophilia and color blindness are recessive. Option MCQs number 10. The quantitative variations are small and less striking. Option A is correct. 11. Crossing over is example of segment between chromatids of homologous chromosomes during meiosis. Non-sister chromatids. MCQs number 12. Who worked on flowering plants named 4 o'clock in 1899? Carl Corns. Option B is correct. MCQs number 13. How many pairs of golden pea are focused by Mendel's? There was 7. 14. Interactions between different genes occupying the different locus is called epistasis. Option A is correct. 15. Who studied the genetics of wheat grain's color? Nelson Alley. Option C is correct. 16. In humans, hypophosphatemic or vitamin D resistant rickets are dominant. Option A is correct. Dominant. 17. When the phenotype of heterozygous is intermediate between phenotype of two homozygous, then it's called overdominance. D is correct. 18. When the alleles of gene pair in organism is same, then organism is called homozygous. Homozygous. B is correct. 19. How homologous chromosomes pair up lengthwise, A and B? Point to point, locus to locus. 21. Relationship between allele of same gene occupying the same locus is called dominance. Option B is correct. 22. Experimental mating are not practically possible in humans. Option C is correct. 23. In 4 o'clock flowering plant, when red flower is crossed with white flowers, the generation produced is pink. A is correct. Pink. 24. When the two alleles of gene pair in an organism is different, then organism is called heterozygous. Heterozygous. 25. Crossing over occur at stage between non-sister chromatids. First standard. Fourth standard. Option B is correct. 27. ABO locus is on which of the chromosomes? Ninth chromosome. Option D is correct. 28. is are rare X-linked recessive traits. Hemophilia. Option A is correct. 29. Different alleles of gene that are both expressed in heterozygous condition are called codominant. C is correct. In Mendel's law of segregation, phenotypic ratio is 3:1. Option A is correct. 31. XX and XY tap was discovered in 1914. Option A is correct. 32. The search for mechanism of inheritance of sex started after discovery of Mendel's work. 1900. On which of the chromosomes H locus is present? 19th. Option B is correct. MCQ number 34. Red blindness is named as protanopia. Option A is correct. 36. What is genotypic ratio in Mendel's law of segregation? 1:2:1. Option B is correct. 37. Who discovered the pollen of Saltian plant were sex determining? Option A is correct. Corins. 38. Many species of microorganisms don't have sex chromosomes. Eukaryotic species. Many species of microorganisms. 39. Drosophila melanogaster is biological name of fruit fly. Option A is correct. 40. Bombay phenotype result from epistasis. A is correct. 41. There are 3 general phenotypes in Mn blood group that are M, N and Mn. Option A is correct. 42. Law of segregation was proposed by Mendel. B is correct. 43. What is blue blindness called? Tritanopia. Option A is correct. 44. When XX woman marries with color-blind man XY, then chances that their children would be 25% color-blind. Option A is correct. 45. X and Y chromosomes are called sex chromosomes. Option A is correct. 46. Genes that affect growth rate in humans also influence weight and height. Option A and B is correct. If a man of M blood group marries a woman of N blood group, then all the organisms will have Mn blood group. Option A is correct. 48. The law in which when an individual showing a dominant genotype is crossed with individual showing its recessive phenotype is called test cross. 49. Green blindness is named as deuteranopia. Option B is correct. The Morgan his colleague studied patterns of inheritance of more than traits of Drosophila. 85. Option